Today's project, I'm going to be replacing the surge style coupler that is currently on this trailer and replacing it with that A-frame coupler that you see on the ground. I am going to remove this one using just a cutoff wheel and a grinder. I'm going to go all the way around here, try to get underneath that lip, do the same on the other side, take a hammer and get it off, clean everything up, weld the new one on. Now that we have the frame all cleaned off, the old weld nice and shiny, now we can fit on the new coupler. I'm going to take it and shove it in as far as it goes. And now I'm going to take soapstone and trace around where I'm going to be welding. So now you can see where the weld is going to be. So now I need to go back over that and make this whole area and this whole area over here nice and shiny. I'm going to take the inside here and clean all this paint off. If you try to weld over that paint, it's going to look like crap. The weld's going to be very poor, and I wouldn't trust this trailer to pull it out of the driveway. So let's get that cleaned up and get it welded on. Everything is clean. See the clean coupler inside and out. So now I'm going to get a couple clamps, clamp it tight to the top, tack around, weld fully. I have the coupler clamped, checked all the way around. It's nice and tight. That's how I want it. I don't want any huge gaps in there. So I'm just going to tack in a few spots so that way I can remove the clamps so they're out of my way, and then weld it all the way around. And before I weld this, I feel obligated to say that if you don't know how to weld, this is not the project for you. Take it to somebody who has experience and knows what they're doing, because this, not welded on properly, endangers everybody on the road, and you aren't the only one that uses the road. Please have somebody weld it that knows what they're doing. Welding is complete. You get a good look in there, but anyway, you get a look at how it should be looking like. Okay, so the next thing to do is just add a little paint to it.